got it, but I did have to dab. I would have got deducted points. Okay, we didn't have much dust up in the mountains, but the stuff that's exposed here is a little dustier, but still pretty epic though. A lot of these bushes and grass and weeds are growing. Smell really strong, crazy in here. Switchy back. Okay. Oh, look at that one. Okay, now that one, no feet off. No feet off. I stayed on the pegs too. Yep. I watched you and learned. Yeah. Into the trees. Oh, he was, yeah. Oh yeah, I did. Well, I put my foot down. One foot. Yeah, well, I got you. Spencer's coasting, no engine on. I should try it. Let's see if I get in a neutral. It's hard to get in neutral when you're... Well, I think that one's easier, dude. Yeah, it was for sure easier because I did it too. No feet down. Yeah.